everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Once again, welcome back to my channel. And today, me and my siblings and one of my sister friend, we are going for a drinking. And the place which we are going right now is just nearby our village. And I'll be taking you guys along with me. So stay tuned and enjoy my video. I'm the last one. So this is their gate.
Welcome to new Risethsi Village.
But I think take all this love. It's you, bro. I'm not the one who's cringe. We'll be going upside here. That side, right? I guess that's it. That's it, no? Yeah. So, and then we'll cross this mountain, right? I think so. This is their village. It's my second time coming here, and last time my friend told me to take the clip of their village. Last time we have reached only that, as you can see, that green. What about
What?
my forehead?
It's already covered.
I feel like sleeping here, but it's burning. Come, let's continue. We have already reached the first destination. I think that's the last one, nah?
I guess.
Or
That red flag,
yeah, red flag.
red flag.
Yeah, red flag.
It sounds funny.
not green flag, but red flag.
I'm not jealous.
Then,
Bro,
then
we've got no way to go from here.
I think we'll go from there, nah?
You see the.
And where's the box they're talking about?
I think it's that side.
Oh, is it? Last time they kept here. They kept here.
I think
Charity box, nah? Let's go.
Let's take rest for a few minutes. Let's go.
our next destination is that and we. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, I guess this is.
Rhododendron.
Oh, you see there, lots of rhododendron. Yeah. Adventure. Did you guys win? Hey, Lala, is it tomorrow?
This is the real journey. Real journey begins. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ay! Wah, wah! Ayah! Ayah, what did it? Done, done, done. Hurung, hurung. Which one? Then?
Makshana.
Hurung mahiga.
Hurunga.
Yes.
So this is
Jal.
hurunga.
Jal, jal.
Hi, Rana. Yaman
Rana is, I guess, Nepali.
No, I mean
Title, yeah.
Yeah, but in
science.
Huh?
Yeah.
Scientific name?
scientific name.
Oh, in scientific name. Ah, cute, fine, na? These are the science students. Rana means what? Frog. Oh, oh. Ow. Sorry? What do you mean? I don't get. Better environment, better tomorrow. Go, go, go. I'll carry that, okay? I feel pity on you. Since you are starting from a village, nah?
Yeah.
What about this?
Yeah, okay.
I'm scared
If you want.
down, so I'll just carry this, yeah?
Okay.
Guys, we have carried only one bottle of water. That also we have already finished, but we asked one of what? I think this is School Village, right? This is School Village.
It's not even clear.
But it's alright, it's beautiful this now.
Yeah.
That's all I think. It looks so far, but not too far, right?
Yeah. So many azalea flowers over there.
Which one?
There, but it's still green.
Actually, guys, I love the flower, but I don't know their names. And I don't know how to take care of them.
I didn't say that it's bothering us.
We're almost there. This place looks so beautiful. Let's go. Ah, you carry this water
I
bottle.
want to puke.
Let's go. Let's go. So guys, we have already reached that place. We finally reached
The spot.
the spot. Let's go there. Tired happening. Wait. So guys, I'll show you what's in our bag. Come here. It was such a sudden plan, so we didn't carry anything. Just this chatting. And then wait. Oh, yummy. What is this? Bom 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 bom.
Bum.
Yummy.
Oh, sorry. That's it.
इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं.
We stayed here for 2 hours taking pictures and videos, and now we'll go back. It's getting late. I think how many hours will take to reach our village?
1.5 hour, I guess.
1.5 hour. It's so windy. Why? Bye. Don't litter around, it makes bitter. We are going back.
This is our back, and this is my back.
I think I won't take clip here because I might fall down. So we're the last one, right? Why so lonely? Why so lonely? Because you are tired, right? Huh? Somehow. Your leg. Ooh. Finally. We'll take rest for a while and then we'll head back home. Let's head back home. Oh, my shoelace. Thank you. Done. Shukriya. It's so dusty. You walk slowly. Woo! Since they are so tired and thirsty, they are picking the wild apple. So guys, we've already crossed our gate few minutes ago and we'll be taking some few minutes to reach our village. And I'm so tired, so I'll end my video here. Please do keep on supporting, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.